Do you like that, Henry? Let me see you skate again, Ivy.
Okay, let's go this way. There's a little bit more room. Ready?
Is that funny, Henry?
Ivy.
Hi. You gonna be crawling soon?
Hi, baby.
You're
right.
trying. Oh, look at that. It's a baby. Ivy, look at Henry.
Are you okay? Here. Can I help you? Oh, you're so cute. Hey, buddy.